This video will show you a quick tip for navigating around through your Canvas gradebook to more quickly assign and designate which assignments are missing, instead of clicking into each individual cell to mark the status flag. So typically, if this assignment was missing past the due date, you have to click on the cell, then click on this arrow, and then come over here to change the status label. And so now it's missing. And you may find yourself now coming to the next student and clicking again and clicking again. But what would save you a little bit of time is to use these little arrows present in this pop-up menu on the right side. So I can switch between assignments, which would change the cell that I'm currently working in from left to right horizontally. Or if I go up to this arrow next to the student name, I can navigate within the same assignment kind of in an up and down manner. So instead of, again, clicking into each individual cell, I'm just going to bump my way down to the next one and click it as missing. So this kind of keeps my extra menu open on the far right side with those status labels and saves me just a few clicks as I go through and make note of which assignments are missing. So I hope that helps save you a little bit of time until Canvas gives us the option to simply type in the missing status label.